present perfect affirmative form. So present perfect is a verb tense that connects the past to the present, formed with have or has plus the participle. It is used to describe an action that started in the past and continues to the present. An action completed recently with a present result. A past action with an unspecified time. An experience at some point in life, or a repeated action within an unfinished time period. Structure. In the structure we have the subject, then have or has, next verb in participle, and the complement. Okay, so the subject may be I, you, we, they, he, she, it. The auxiliary have, I have, you have, we have, they have. But for he, she, and it, we have the form has. He has, she has, it has. Okay, let's check the examples. Example number 1. I have traveled to Spain. I have traveled to Spain. Number 2. You have crashed 2 times. You have crashed 2 times. Number 3. We have prayed for you. We have prayed for you. The next, they have failed 3 exams. They have failed 3 exams. Next, he has written 2 books. He has written 2 books. Next example, she has studied languages. She has studied languages. And the last example, that is with it, remember that it may be for animals or objects, things or animals. So let's say it has rained a lot in the city. It has rained a lot in the city. Okay, well, this is all what we see today about the present perfect. Well, see you in the next video. I hope you like this one. So click where the arrow points. See you next time.